Welcome back to another episode of Living in Denver. As always, my name is Adam, and today we're going to be going on an in-depth tour for one of the most popular new build construction communities, Southwestern Denver, Richmond Homes, and this area is called Sterling Ranch. Really excited to share this ranch-style home. It's under $800,000, 5-bedroom, 3-bath. The model home that I go through today is beautiful, so really excited to share it with you. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, back again with another in-home video tour of a model home. This one is a ranch style by Richmond Homes. I really like these ranch style homes. They're actually the most popular when it comes to styles of homes these days. People just don't want to go up and down stairs as much as they used to, and it's just the most popular style of home. So when you're looking at resale value, you always want to buy a home that is popular and what people are looking for. So ranch styles are the way to go on that front. So take you guys through this one really quickly here and hope you enjoy it. So right as you walk in, you have those 2 bedrooms with that shared bath, which could also be used as a bathroom for people when you're entertaining on here on the main level. Attached 2-car garage. Really nice laundry room that's dedicated with a full sink. Very nice. So one of my favorite things about the ranch-style homes here at Richmond is this very expansive outdoor patio. Which also has access off of the primary bedroom. So, really nice. So again, here we are now in the primary bedroom that I just mentioned about having that dedicated door out to the covered back patio. Really nice tall ceilings. Really like the floor choice in this model home. Large shower. Dual sinks. Very nice, expansive master primary closet. I want to show you guys something cool about this shower too. Check this out. Sorry to stop the video, but just as a quick reminder, my name is Adam Lang. I'm a licensed realtor here in Denver, Colorado. I love making videos like this, but I really enjoy is just connecting with viewers like you. Yes, you. And hopefully finding out a few ways that I can provide value. Hit that like and that subscribe button. And also, don't forget, my phone number, my email, all that info is down below too. So reach out. I would love to connect. But for now, let's get back to the rest of the video. So I'm in the shower. Yeah, it's all glass here that looks in on the shower. So what do you guys think about that? Personally, I don't know about that. Love have, people get ready and just talking to you while you're in the shower. I don't know. Some people might like that. A little too much for me. Okay, so again, we have these 3 bedrooms on this level. And then now we'll go downstairs. Some of the other types of homes in Richmond here in Sterling Ranch are on a crawl space. This one actually has a full finished basement. Not too shabby, right? Lots of storage with Richmond Homes. You got all this, then check this out. Massive room. Could be an extra room if you really wanted it to be, but regardless, tons of space to store all of your Christmas decorations, hiking stuff in the whatever season you're in, whatever, the stuff for the other seasons, keep your skis, hiking gear, all that stuff out away from everything else so your garage stays nice and clean and not so cluttered. And then 2 more bedrooms down here. Again, guys, having a finished basement as opposed to building a home on a crawl space gives you the ability to have these really nice tall 9-foot ceilings and just how much quieter and just more professionally done and just custom it feels when you're in the actual space. So I know it's one of those things that's hard to describe over a video, but I think is a huge advantage is, again, having a home that has a full actual, basement as opposed to being just built on a slab on a crawl space. Not too bad. Just going to go back upstairs and give you one more shot of the kitchen. And again, guys, if you want to see any of these homes, always happy to take you out and show you myself, because I just love touring new build communities and just seeing what's out there. So let me know. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. I thought Richmond Homes did a phenomenal job with this Farmington model home. 5-bedroom, 3-bath, under $800,000 and right at 3,500 square feet. If you guys like this video and you thought maybe you'd like to learn a little bit more about Richmond Homes or Sterling Ranch, feel free to reach out. Again, my phone number, my email, all that info is down below. And don't forget, hit that like and that subscribe button so you are the first to get every new video or release on a weekly basis. Look forward to connecting with you guys next week. Until then, have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you then. Bye.